Now, how do you know that, okay, oh, this one that the pictures look the same, almost the same? How do you know the one that will sell good quality? Like when you receive your clothes, you are going to love the quality. First of all, take a look at the return rate. Whenever some people hear that products are cheap in China and then they get into China importation, they now expect the prices to be almost free. And it's not supposed to be so. You are buying a product in Nigeria for 5,000 naira and you expect the price to be like 300 naira in China. If it was so, if that's how people gain a lot from just one product, people gain almost 300% from one product, I think nobody will have been complaining about Nigerian economy being this or that. I think all China importers will have been millionaires or billionaires by now. Hey guys, thank you for tuning in today. If it's your first time of seeing my face, you are welcome to my channel. This is Oches TV, where I teach on China importation, business ideas. I also drop inspirational content, motivational content, faith-based content. So if you are a Christian, you can subscribe to my channel. And if you want to learn how to import from China by yourself without an agent, please subscribe to my channel so that you don't miss my videos. Okay, so guys, this video, I just want to, tell you this secret about how to identify real suppliers on 1688 so that you don't fall victim to scam. There are scammers on 1688. So there is a bait they use to draw people to buy their product, and that is cheap prices. Emphasis on cheapest, cheap, outrageous prices, that when you see it, it will be entering your eyes, and if you are not careful, you will buy those products, and it is either they bring rags to you, or they don't even respond to your messages anymore. They don't send anything to you at all. So there's a YouTube subscriber, that is one of my YouTube subscribers, reached out to me sometime last week or 2 weeks ago, and she said she purchased some clothes from a supplier, and for over 2 weeks the supplier didn't send anything, and he or she stopped responding to her messages. And she was like, please ma, what can I do? I said, okay. First thing I told her was to send me screenshot of the items that she purchased, that the product. So she now sent me the screenshot, and they were kids clothing. So I'm going to show you this. I'm just explaining first, then later on in in this video I'm going to show you how you can identify these people so that you don't fall into the victim. If that lady had not chatted me at the time she did, they would have scammed her of almost 500,000 naira. Yes. So when she sent it to me, immediately I saw the screenshot, I knew that this person is a scammer. He's going to run away with your money, So she said she requested a refund, and he did not refund. So I told her how to go about it. So I told her maybe she requested the refund wrongly, because one thing about 1688 is that if you request a refund and the seller refuses to attend to your request, the 1688 will automatically refund you after maybe 24 hours or 2 days, But I told her to do it rightly. She did it. But what we now notice is that the supplier will go behind and intercept the refund request, and then the 1688 automatic response, all these things have been programmed. It will now say that the supplier did not accept the refund, and they are going to close the order after a few days. So the woman was so worried, and all I told her was, first of all, cancel the refund, request refund again. But while at it, there's a place where you can put evidences. So you take a screenshot of your chat with the supplier, so they will see that this supplier is not responding. You can also take a screenshot of your, to show that the thing has not been delivered. You know, when a product is has been delivered, it will be there to show delivered or signed for. You understand? So take a screenshot of all this and your chat with the supplier when you place your order and all that. Then upload it on that section. There's a place to upload screenshots, you know, so that when they see it, when they when you escalate it to the 1688 customer service, they are going to now take a look at the evidences you uploaded, and then they will refund you automatically. So that was what she did. So the supplier now um couldn't do, since she already submitted evidences, the supplier couldn't do anything anymore. So they refunded her money, and she was so happy, and she thanked me for my help, you know. So you guys need to take note of this. I'm going to show you these suppliers and how you should be aware of them. Like, you need to be aware of them whenever you see them, and how to identify them. You understand? So I'm going to show you the in this video. Please watch the video till the end. I'm just trying to explain so that you guys don't fall victim. Okay, and if you have ever fallen victim, or if you are in it, if you are experiencing it right now, what you just go through the process I've explained, and you'll get your money back. I promise you, you'll get your money back. Okay, so guys, that's being said, and if you want to watch the video of how to escalate an issue with 1688 customer service, I'm going to link the video up here so that you can watch the video I made on how to contact 1688 customer service and escalate any issues. Okay, so guys, that being said, let us dive right into the video. Guys, take a look at the price for these jeans. 2 yuan, 2 RMB for a pair of jeans. Isn't that outrageous? And people will see it and they will rush to buy. This is how you know that this supplier is a scammer. Here is another supplier. Oh, this one is for female jeans. Please, guys, anytime you see a supplier like this, please take notes of these people I'm going to be showing you on this platform today. Just take note of this video, of this product. Okay, so whenever you see it and you see this price, please run away. Oh, run away. Next. Here is another supplier, guys. This one is for kids clothing. This is the supplier the woman I mentioned earlier bought from. This is the exact supplier. You know what they do is they will make the price look so friendly, 8.34 yuan, and they will make it 30 pieces for minimum order. 30 pieces. And guess what? When you click on order now to place your order, can you see it? Automatically, it selects the 30 pieces as the minimum order. This is the total amount here, and you will rush and buy. See, this is if you want to know a legit supplier, when you want to place an order for different designs of clothes, when you click on order now, this place here is supposed to show you options to select the design, the color, the quantity, you know, like that. That's how it works. So right here, there's no place for you to select the size. There's no place for you to select the color, the design. You know, they just automatically put 30 as the quantity, as the lowest quantity, then place your order. That's all. So this is how you know that these people are scammers. Okay, so please beware. I'm going to show you more. Selling two piece of these beautiful clothes for just 5.27 RMB, guys. If you see, anytime you see it, please just run away. If you take a look at these pictures that we have here, you will see this one with green and teddy bear is one of the clothes I displayed in my recent video of clothes that you can order for your baby boys from China. And the price is around 30 something RMB for one, or 40 something RMB. So I'm going to search for it now so that you can see the actual price they are selling it. Okay, guys, take a look at these prices. You see this one, they are selling it 53.90 yuan. You see another supplier selling it for 45.90 yuan. You see another supplier selling it for 56.75 yuan. And somebody is telling you that it's going for 5.27 yuan and you go and buy. That is even greediness. If you see any cheap product, like too cheap, extremely too cheap product on 1688 and you order it and they scam you, please, it's your greed that caused it. Okay. Look at this one now. Can you see? After searching for it, see it 39.40 yuan, 28.72 yuan, 28.90 yuan, 34.40 yuan. Can you see the prices for them? And when you click on it, let's say I want to order this 28.90 yuan now. Let me click on it to do as if I want to place an order. Then I click on order now. You can see the minimum order is one piece. You are allowed to order one piece, and once I click on it to select the quantity or the color, there's going to be an option for that. Can you see that? Can you see? So it has two colors available. Then it has options for you to select the sizes and you select the color. So this is how to know that this person is legit, guys. See, the price is 33.90 yuan here. There's another supplier that you should run away from. This one is selling different types of shoes for 7.35 yuan. And when you click on order now, you see the minimum order is 20 pieces. Can you see that? So I'll show you another one now. Here is another one. This one is going for 7.90 yuan, and the minimum order is 50 pieces, guys. Guys, these people are just scammers. Can you see that? Automatically selected 50 pieces, which is the minimum order. You see? So please, so when you see these people like this, run away. Run away. Right now, I want to show you how to identify legit suppliers when sourcing for products on this 1688. You know that when you source for a particular product using a picture, using camera search or keyword to search, you are going to the system is going to automatically bring out maybe hundreds of people who are selling that particular product, just like this Tom and Jerry clothes you are seeing here right now. So you see that they have brought out different suppliers with different prices. Now, how do you know that okay, oh, this one that the pictures look the same, almost the same? How do you know the one that will sell good quality? Like when you receive your clothes, you are going to love the quality. First of all, take a look at the return rate. When you take a look at the Chinese language written in the area where the price is, take a look at this first one, for example. The price is 15.24 yuan, and there are some other things written like 8%. This 8% now is talking about the return rate. So whenever you see 8% as return rate for a product, you should know that that product quality is good. That means 8% is low. The return rate is low. And this now they have sold 1,800 pieces plus. That's why there's 1,800 plus here in this first one here. So when you see return rate to be 100%, please run away. It means that almost everybody who order the product are returning the product. So when you see return rate to be 3%, it means that a very minimal like amount of people are returning the product. Maybe one or two people who have ordered out of 100 people who ordered the product, just one or two people returned it. The return rate might not be because of the quality, maybe other factors, right? So this is how it works. And there's another thing that I want you to take note of. There is what a cattle head. You can see a cattle head. When you see a cattle head on a supplier's page or on a product, you should know that that supplier is a strong merchant who has passed some examinations on the 1688. So take a look at this one on my right hand side. This kids PJ. You see that there is a cattle head. There's a cattle head there on red, in red. Can you see it? So when you click on it and you go to the supplier store, you'll be able to see other informations about that supplier. So let's go to the supplier store now. Can you see it, guys? Can you see the cattle head up there? So I want to take a screenshot of it now and then translate it on using Google Translate so that we can read everything that is written on the screen right now. So, guys, take a look at it. Let me zoom it closer. Can you see that? Strong merchant, 6 years of service, 45,228,000 plus fans. Can you see? So must buy stores list children's harmful quality list top two. That means this person is topping top two, is among the top two children clothes supplier on this 1688. Can you see that? So this is what you should look out for before you place an order for a product, for you to get quality product. Check all these things. Look at the year the person has been in service on this, yes, on this 1688. Then take a look at the what's it called, the return rate, and take a look at um the quantity that the person have sold, and take a look at this what is it called, this powerful merchants have passed TUV factory inspection certification. So just go enter the supplier store and check all this information. Okay. Thanks for watching, guys. You have come to the end of today's video. I hope you find this video helpful. Please, I want you to share this video with other importers so that they can be aware of these people, so that they don't fall victim, okay? And please drop comments if you find this video helpful. Drop it in the comment section and click on the like button. Please like this video so that YouTube will see it as a helpful video and show it to more people, so that you can reach more people and get this information, and it is going to solve all these scam issue on 1688, right? So thank you so much. If it's your first time here, consider subscribing to my channel. Please subscribe to Oches TV. Let's grow this community together, okay? Please subscribe and share my channel, share my videos with all your loved ones. And you can reach out to me if you want to learn China importation. If you have any question, you have any problem, if you want to, if any question you have, just check the links to my social media and pages in the comment section. Then send me a DM. I'm going to respond to you. If you want one-on-one mentorship, please send me a DM. If you want training, please send me a DM. Okay. Thank you once again for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.